Hi everyone. In this video, I want to cover how to properly mount and wire the T3 thermostat. When replacing or installing a thermostat, please make sure that your system is powered down for your safety. You can either do this at the furnace or at the breaker. The T3 subbase is mounted with up to 3 screws. To make sure it's secure, utilize a stud or drywall anchors. When wiring the subbase, please verify your system type and wire accordingly. You can find wiring diagrams in the installation manual, or you can verify the connections at your furnace or air handler. After the subbase is wired, insert batteries into the T3 thermostat and attach it to the subbase. You can now power up your system and make sure everything is working properly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.